Hello everyone, the purpose of this video is to teach you how to breathe to get maximum relaxation for your meditation. You get to know that you can meditate anywhere. But if you can find a gentle place, a quiet one, a place that you love, it is even better. Set an alarm to 5, then 10, then 20 minutes or more, according to your desire, but you don't have to. Sit on a chair, or on the ground, make yourself comfortable. Sit peacefully, with a straight back, your hands on your knees. Look in front of you and start to take a deep breath. Breathe out softly. Then do it again, take a deep breath. Hold it for a second, then breathe out normally. Do it again, take a deep breath and concentrate on what you do right now. Hold it for a second, then breathe out normally. Concentrate on your breath only. And you do it again, take a deep breath, hold it for a second, then breathe out normally. Close your eyes. Now stay concentrate on your breath and breathe normally. Take note to the soothing music around you but still focus on your breath. You can do it without any music too, but for some it helps for maximize relaxation. When you really concentrate on your breath only, you forget about the noise and the music around naturally. Keep doing it with no pressure at all. Just try to practice every day or even twice a day, like in the morning and evening. You will notice, after a while, that you feel much better. Your stress is gone and happiness has come back into your life. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time, be gentle with yourself. If you miss a meditation one day, no big deal, you will do it the day after. But try to install a regularity in your practice. You will thank yourself later. Thank you for watching this video. You can even go further by clicking the links in my description to discover my best resource for meditation, relaxation, and holistic health advices. Soothing music and relaxation channel.